Hello guys, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to sum in Excel. There are different ways to sum, but the one we use is easiest. Here we have this table with some income data from January to April. Now we want to sum income in January. Click here, choose Home from tab menu. In the editing section, select Auto Sum. Excel will automatically select the area that we want to sum. Now, if you want to change the range, you can change it, but we will gonna leave as it is. Hit enter. If you want to calculate sum for all the rest of the months, put the cursor on the bottom right, drag it till the end. It calculates for the rest of the months. We done for sum of columns. Now let us do auto sum for rows. Back to editing section, auto sum. Our sum area is marked. Press enter. Again, copy the formula to the rest by dragging down. We have done. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.